In this video, we're making creamy garlic and cauliflower soup. The ingredients are cauliflower, chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, garlic, leeks, evaporated milk, thyme, salt, and pepper. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and roast the garlic, drizzled with olive oil, for 45 to 55 minutes. Then allow the garlic to cool and squeeze it from the skin into a small bowl, mashing it with a fork. In a large nonstick saucepan, heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil over medium heat and add the leeks, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook and stir for 6 to 8 minutes, then stir in the roasted garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the cauliflower, broth, and milk, and over medium to high heat, bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium to low and cook until the cauliflower is tender. Using a blender or food processor, puree half of the cauliflower and 1 cup of cooking liquid until it's smooth. Then pour the mixture into a medium bowl and repeat the process with the remaining cauliflower and 1 cup of liquid. Ladle the soup into bowls and sprinkle each serving with 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese.